खेड तालुक्यातील गेल्या 4 पिढ्यांहून अधिक चालत आलेली सर्वात जुनी पेढी, विश्वास हीच परंपरा, सोने चांदी हिरे मोती दागिने नवग्रह खडे मिळण्याचे एकमेव ठिकाण वापगावकर लक्ष्मी ज्वेलर्स, प्रोप्रा परेश माऊलीशेठ वापगावकर, बाजारपेठ पेशी शेजारी, राजगुरुनगर, 9850919999।
अँगल घेऊ का तिकडे?
मला मिळून देते तुमच्यासाठी, त्याला फक्त
Firstly, I would like to introduce you all to both our doctors we have here. Dr. Vivek Kapse sir, he is a child specialist and a neonatologist. He is MBBS DCH. He has also completed his PGPN, postgraduate in pediatric nutrition. Also, he has completed his fellowship from Boston, USA. He has been practicing pediatrics from last 9 years. Next, I'll come to Dr. Mayuri Kapse ma'am. She is a pediatric consultant. She has completed her BAMS MD Pediatrics. She also has a good practice in Ayurveda and Garbha Sanskar. She has received Jeevat Award from Himalaya. Also, she is a professor in Aryan Lahoti Medical College. They both are settled in Mehekar in Buldana district. They have a well-equipped hospital with 50 plus beds and 12 plus NICU beds. Sir and ma'am, it is a pleasure to have you both here today. I would like to thank you for spending your valuable time and being here with us. Over to sir. He is going to cover some major important problems which parents usually talk to me about. So I'll hand over to him. आपण काही जास्त टाइम वेस्ट नाही करणार, डायरेक्टली सुरू करूया.
1972 पासून सर्वांच्या हृदयातील एकच नाव संगम कलेक्शन राजगुरुनगर. संगम कलेक्शनचा वादा 101% ग्राहकांचा फायदा. नवीन वर्षांची नवीन सुरुवात 15 ते 60% भरघोस सूट. तर मग आजच भेट द्या संगम कलेक्शन, राजगुरुनगर.